SRS light ABS?
Yeah. Remember this one? The
Vehicle stability control.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go to drive. So the owner of this car with 150,000 miles also mentions when they travel like towards LA directions, we're in Northern California, when we travel to Southern California, on the way back, the VSC light comes on. And the VSC light will turn off, and then no more problems. And the owner uses let's say a $50 to $100 scan tool, and then the scan tool is not able to give him more information about that light. So just a quick background, the VSC stands for Vehicle Stability Control, meaning that the computer has eyes and ears coming from like the yaw sensor inside the steering wheel. It has sensors in each of the wheels, letting it know what each wheel speed is spinning, and maybe it also knows the throttle, and it knows how much the engine's spinning. And at some point with the vehicle stability control on and activated, the computer starts controlling like if it wants to apply the brakes to a certain wheel, it could to keep you in control of driving. And some systems even control the gas response, so it can even fight against you. Where you're asking for more power, it can decrease the amount of power the engine makes, so your car doesn't get out of control. So that's some tidbits about the vehicle stability control. But on some Toyotas, that when something like a oxygen sensor goes bad, it also turns on the VSC, and it turns on multiple lights. And I don't know why Toyota does that. I guess it feels that it's some kind of safety thing where it wants to alert the driver, but other manufacturers don't seem to do that. So if it is a bad wheel bearing, that wheel bearing can somehow rock the real wheel back there unstably, so that the magnetic pickup of the ABS sensor can pick it up not consistent, and therefore the computer now thinks that it's a stability problem. So that's my guess on that VSC assessment.